Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. So what we're going to do today, people, is we're going to use the list insert method. And let me just import the time module there first. So import time, because we'll be using the time module here. Okay, so what I've done first of all, I've created a list here with some names in it, Dave, Bill and Sid, and I've created a function here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to print the original list so people can see what it's like. This is the original list here, which will print out these names. Okay, and then we're going to create some user input. I'm going to say create a variable called insert position. So we're going to insert stuff into this list at certain positions. So this is going to be int, because it's an integer, we're using numbers here, input. And then we're going to ask the user to type in a position. So it could be any position, it could be position 0, position 1, or whatever. Okay, so the next one, we want to insert a name. So I'm going to create a variable called insert name. And this is a string, so all we need here is input. And simply name, like that. So the user will type in a name like Paul or Steve or whatever. Right, okay, and now we're going to print. I'm going to use F here to format the string. Inserting, this is going to be so what should I do first? Insert name. And then we're going to do insert position. Okay, so insert name there, insert position. And then we're going to print out the list. No, we're not going to print out the list, we're going to insert first. Insert position. And insert name. Insert position and insert name. And then we're going to give it a little bit of a pause using time.sleep. So we're going to pause it for 1 second to make it look like it's working. And then we're going to print out the new list, the new name inserted at the new position. That's going to be new list. That's going to be my list. Right, okay, so all we have to do now is call the program. So that's going to be insert method. Save it. Let's run it. Okay, so that's the original list, Dave, Bill and Sid. So I'm going to insert something at position 0 here, and I'm going to type in Steve. Let's hit enter. Inserting. There we go. So Steve has been inserted at position 0 in the list. So there you go, folks. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button now. And give it a big thumbs up and leave me a comment if you want, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.